Present for sale at Three Pines Garage. Registration FG20FLF. 2020 Ford Transit 2.0 EcoBlue 185 PSH2 Limited Factory Double Crew Cab. It has done 122,000 miles with wet belt done. It has had one owner from new. The van comes with roof bars, air conditioning, cruise control, alloys, DAB radio, reverse camera, 2 keys, parking sensors, Bluetooth, heated screen. This one-owner Transit is a limited spec, pretty rare from the factory in Moondust Silver and a factory crew cab too. A full MOT and full service are included in the sale. Part exchange is considered at trade value. Finance options available and warranty is included. There is no VAT. You can contact us at 07300 300 101 or at 01885488188. Go to threepinesgarage.co UK now to find up to 100 crew vans, panel vans, and 9-seaters in stock. Open 7 days a week for viewing.